Craving steak but want to keep it clean? This high-protein, low-oil air-fryer chicken steak will change your healthy eating game with all the flavor, none of the guilt. For the chicken steak, take one chicken breast, make a horizontal cut, and open it like a butterfly. Make tiny slits on the inside to help absorb the marinade. Marinate with Shangrila steak sauce only, no need for extra spices. Let it rest for 30 minutes. Preheat air fryer at 180 degrees Celsius and cook the marinated chicken for 30 minutes. For the veggies, use available vegetables like zucchini, broccoli, carrot, and potato. Chop them and season lightly with salt. Air fry for 5 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius until slightly crisp and tender. For the mushroom sauce, in a pan, heat 1/2 tablespoon butter. Sauté chopped onion for 2-3 minutes. Then sauté mushrooms for 4-5 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon all-purpose flour, maida, and cook for 1 minute. Gradually pour in 1 cup milk, whisking continuously. Season with oregano, chili flakes, and salt. Add a little grated cheese, cook until thick, then turn off the heat. Plating. Place 1 tablespoon mashed potatoes on a plate. Add the chicken steak on top. Serve with a side of air-fried veggies. Drizzle with mushroom sauce. And serve hot, and subscribe for more healthy recipes.